received a PTZ file containing legal deposition transcripts. This is a bundled E-Transcript format used in litigation and court reporting. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, view, and work with these E-Transcript bundle files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the PTZ format, but we'll attack the top issues first. A PTZ file is a bundled legal transcript created by the E-Transcript system from Thomson Reuters. It contains the full transcript, word indexes, and exhibits in a single secure package. Legal professionals use these files to review, search, and annotate court depositions and testimony for case preparation and analysis. The PTZ format is essentially a compressed archive, often using zip compression, that encapsulates multiple files, like PTX, XML, and PDFs. This container design ensures all related legal documents are kept together, maintaining integrity and simplifying distribution among legal teams, courts, and clients, while providing a tamper-evident record. You will typically find E-Transcript Manager developed by Thomson Reuters associated with PTZ. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows provides limited document tools, so proper editing requires dedicated applications. To resolve the incompatible format issue, right-click the PTZ file and choose Open With. Prioritize E-Transcript Manager if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a functional file claim. If your PTZ file is not opening yet, that is normal. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening an E-Transcript viewer. Install the free E-Transcript bundle viewer from Real Legal or Thomson Reuters. Open the PTZ file in the viewer to access the transcript text exhibits and synchronized video. The viewer provides word search, jump to line navigation, and exhibit linking essential for litigation preparation and deposition review. Next, using LiveNote or CaseMap. Professional litigation software like LiveNote and CaseMap from Thomson Reuters opens PTZ bundles directly. Import the file to integrate the deposition with case management features, including issue coding annotation and integration with other case materials for comprehensive trial preparation workflows. Finally, extracting bundle contents. Rename the PTZ file to zip and open with 7-zip or WinRAR to extract individual components. This reveals the transcript file, PDF exhibits, video files, and indexes. Useful when only specific components are needed without installing dedicated transcript viewing software for legal review purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.